Hello guys, welcome to Nneka Queen TV. My people, how na dey una good morning, na good afternoon, na good evening. It depends on your time and the location where you dey, where you take come across this video. My people, I don bring the update about Sunday Igboho and the update about Hush Puppy. So now go watch this video when I wan show to una. If una watch am finish, una no forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Nneka Queen TV. My people, if you subscribe, you see that small bell, una press am for me. Bye, see you for my next video.
Hello my people, hello my wonderful people, how na dey? Na good evening, welcome back to Nneka TV. So my people, the update when I wan give una today about Sunday Igboho, because yesterday I was tired, I no come out come tell una the update. So wetin comes the sup now for Sunday Igboho matter be say they don that on Monday night, so they come judge the matter, come give am 3 weeks to 1 month for prison. So make dem take investigate im matter, take check am well whether to leave am or not. So but the good news be say dem come allow access to medical this thing, because na know say dem say e no dey okay because of im hand, all those kind of thing. So dem don allow am make e fit take medication for im body. So that one na still good better thing, because even Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Nigeria DSS dem no allow am make e for medical at ten tion, but for Sunday Igboho dem don allow am for medical at ten tion, and I give God the glory. So our prayer be say maybe by next time if dem wan carry am come court, make God let dem free Sunday Igboho. So the court e take many hour before they even judge the matter reach the extent wey dem call judge am, because that time e come be 11 o'clock for Nigeria time in the midnight. So now they take judge the matter, and they start in the afternoon. You know, all these judge they ask many different questions. They wan investigate am where the for crime. I don't know the kind of crime wey im come commit for Benin Republic there, wey they wan call dey investigate the man. And secondly, Nigeria government too still dey there, so we dey pray make dem no succeed for that that one wey dem dey say dem wan carry am come back, make e come face the law of Nigeria, which offence e commit for there. Okay, dem say e get some guns wey dey im hand wey e no suppose to dey im hand, which dem know say Fulani herdsmen dem dey carry guns wey pass those ones. Bandits dey carry the ones wey pass all those ones. Dem no investigate all those ones. Na Sunday Igboho dem wan go investigate because of say im dey agitate for Oduduwa. So my Yoruba people, my Oduduwa people, the supporters of Sunday Igboho, una pray well for Sunday Igboho. And secondly, dem say dem don transfer am from that police cell wey im dey, transfer am go another detention, another place na there e come dey now. So we dey pray for am say make God see am through for this time of trial. And I really happy for those people wey be say they say they support am, his supporters wey be say dem no run leave am, dem no say e don dey problem make dem fashi am. So I really give God the glory for that one. So we dey pray make God grant Sunday Igboho freedom next time wey dem go court. That is my prayer for him. And we go see also dey pray for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for him own side. May not be say him own side he go come suffer kpeme for DSS custody, because you know say Nigeria government dey very wicked. If they see anything by it to silence that man, they go do am. But our God no go allow them do am that kind of thing wey they dey plan for their mind. So my people, now say I come give una the update say they not free Sunday Igboho still dey their custody for there. So they see they try the matter, maybe next time we go see positive result for your own side. We pray to God Almighty, and I pray una pray for una brother well una see support am, una dey back, una no say e don get wahala therefore make una run for am. No, people should stand as una see stand for a back. So also the supporters of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, una support am, una see dey back for this every period of trial, because this time wey e dey so na the time of trial. Una see am say DSS dem no carry am come court that on the 26th wey dem wan do a trial. Nobody know a situation report now. So by like wetin I talk that day for yesterday, say make his lawyer try his best to make sure say make dem know how e health dey, whether e dey okay for that place wey e dey, whether e dey sick or not, wetin make dem no fit carry am come, make dem try to investigate, make dem know, make Nigeria government no go use the life of people. You know say dem no value life, una know that one. Dem no value life, so no concern dem. Dem no value life, so they like to dey kpeme people like say the people na chicken. So anyway, my people, now so make I come tell una my correct people say Sunday Igboho still dey Cotonou there. Is it dey under there? So una pray hard for this man so that the next time when they will carry am come court, maybe next month, maybe they will carry am come court, make God grant am a freedom for their hand. So that be my prayer. So my people, the next topic when I wan talk, so na 2-in-1 topic na be this one. I wan talk about una know Hush Puppy na. Hush Puppy of that year, that Gucci master of that year, wey be say everything wey he dey wear na Gucci, from the starting of he cloth, his shoes, everything, even the luggage wey he dey carry, even the bags dem wey he dey carry, all of them na Gucci. So him dey use Gucci dey shine well well. Dey use am dey show us say na Gucci master. Na no see ever since na say dey arrest am for this thing wey dey catch am, say for money laundering and other crime, cyber crime wey dey catch am. So they don finally judge the matter. My people, it's better you work make small money, may God bless you, than go put hand for something wey be say you at the end of the day you no go even sit down make you enjoy that thing. At the end of the day you go come go dey for kirikiri, and other people go dey enjoy the sweat wey you labour for, wey you just say you use corner take get, because no be labor for that one, na person sweat na be that one wey you use corner take get. So another people go come collect the another people go come collect that cash wey be say na corner you still take get the cash. Dupe people take collect that money. So e better person just dey work small, get your money in a genuine way, than be say you can't get your money for in a crooked way. At the end of the day, if luck run against you, you go come enter another thing wey they call everyone chance. Na be this one now. Hush Puppy, they don't judge the matter, and he come plead guilty for this matter. As he plead guilty for this matter, for money laundering wey dey catch am, and other crime wey dey catch am put, now they don give am 20 years imprisonment. Hey, my people, my correct people, 20 years no be 20 days o. 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, you go come count am reach 10. From that 10 again, you go come begin dey count am again. 11, 12, 20 years. Even pikin wey dey ever plan to get belle sef, they go come get belle, the pikin go come grow, maybe some go even marry sef, some go dey invest sef. Make I put the video of Hush Puppy for those of una wey no know am. Na him be this one. You see the Gucci when I dey talk, na even the blanket wey he take cover for inside plane when he dey, na Gucci. Everything about am na Gucci. He was living a expensive life. Everybody dey think say where this guy for get money, this guy dey enjoy, this guy dey enjoy. You go see am, he dey live when they say somebody is living expensive life, is one of them wey dey live expensive life. So when they come back, I think FBI na gbaba that time, they come gbaba for money laundering and all those things. They go dey dupe people, they collect people money through cyber, all those kind of things. Now right now, you know say since then e dey kirikiri for that side. Wetin Greek people dey call for here say perimene, na im dey. That perimene, you go dey there until they try your matter, whether you dey guilty or not guilty. That perimene fit be 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. You go dey there o, dey inside prison o. They know they count that one join the sentence wey they wan give you. That one na the one wey they'll say welcome first for the crime wey you commit. So na anytime wey the judge get time wey your time reach to judge you, they go come carry the person come, they come judge the person matter. And if they judge the person matter that time, say e dey guilty, hi my people, na there you go come go the normal kirikiri wey you wan go. The other first one wey you go na jaba. Now wetin they call jaba na for free of charge. You just, if na 1 year you spend there, 2 years you spend there, that one na free of charge. Now they wan come sentence the person final to the prison where the person wan go. So now be this Hush Puppy also. No say since there they ever judge the matter. Now they can't judge Hush Puppy matter, wey come be say they plead guilty for those crime wey they talk against am, say he dey guilty for it, e dey guilty for the money laundering and other cyber crime wey dey catch am put. Now right now hush puppy na dem don give am 20 years in kirikiri. 20 years na dem give am. So my people, which enjoyment he come enjoy now for inside all those things when he come do now? Maybe he enjoy for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years or 5 years when he take rain. When he take rain, wey people dey think say this guy get this guy hold he hold pepper too much you know say that time, you know say if dem dey do all these things, dem go dey make our youth dem dey make our youth dem dey go dey put am for bad thing, because most people na wan be like them. Say see hush puppy see the way, see the Gucci cloth wey e dey wear, see the Gucci shoe wey e dey wear. You na know say e get expensive cars when he dey ride. If you see how he was living a luxurious life, as una know hush puppy. So hush puppy na person wey like expensive thing. Now all those expensive thing na not dey again. He go kirikiri for kirikiri, wetin you call kirikiri una understand na, prison for 20 good years na him go down one. So okay, before he go come back, those property una sure say he go dey there again. Those property wey be say na him acquire before he go that he go that 20 years. 20 years no be 20 days my people. 20 years na big year. Big. If you even get, okay, I believe say he get children, he go get pikin. If you even say he get pikin, before he go come out say pikin don become maybe na boy or girl, he don become a big boy or big girl, maybe probably sef he don even marry sef before he go come out. Even the woman wey he dey with before he get this problem no go come wait for her for 20 years So why not struggle and work and make your money small? What is the essence of you making millions? At the end of the day you can't go kirikiri put for that money wey you make. You no go come enjoy that money. Na another people go come help you scatter that money wey you make, all in the name of say you wan rain. So all those things no good. Make our youth use this thing take learn sense, make dem receive sense for their brain. Say they say every day for thief, one day for the owner. When you dey do all this crime, they make the money, you no go know say one day say monkey go market, e no go come back. Na be this hush puppy so monkey go market, e no come back. Na be this e dey do am ever since. They do all these people na be baba for all this cyber crime na. If you want to tell people wey be say they be godfather, na hush puppy dem. Na dem know how they dey do am. Na dem know how they take dey do am, wey they take dey hit the money wey they dey hit. So na dem know how they take dey do am. So as he don do am they do am. Na God say today my son, your cup go full. Na a cup come full my people. The cup come full. Now hush puppy dey go 20 years in kirikiri. 20 years my people. You see this my hand 10, you go see count the 10th leg of the finger of my leg journal. 10 years go be 20 years my people. Not be small matter that 20 years not be small thing. So before hush puppy, maybe for example now hush puppy dey 30 something years before he go this kirikiri. Before hush puppy go come out now, go be 50 something years. Okay, he still get life to live. Maybe dey 40 years, I believe say no, he ever reach 40, or if he don't reach, before he go come back, go be 60 years. That one don dey go. So you see I say e no good make person dey put hand for crime. E no good. And not be Nigeria here, you want for Guam or for US for that side. You know say na there for hold, and na there in the prison ever since. He did the kirikiri for there ever since where they hold na. We dey even forget this matter. Now e matter can't show today. As it show now, so we can see and say hush puppy pleaded guilty for engaging in money laundering. So you see and he's facing 20 years imprisonment. Oh my god. He said he suffer go find work now. They work make it, they make this money small. I think for dey better for am. Because then maybe that 20 years wey he wan spend for that kirikiri na, God for use and take bless am if he maybe na great man na he for be for life. So he run pass his shadow. Now God come tell am say my pikin, you don run pass your shadow. Now not get wetin I go take help you. Now he's facing 20 years imprisonment. Please our young guys make na use this one take learn. Those one wey they say they be Yahoo plus, Yahoo that, Yahoo this one, make make dem learn o, because every day for thief one day for the owner. Make dem no come go market one day dem no come back o. So make dem learn with this hush puppy o. Hush puppy na e go dey inside kirikiri dey cool himself down for there for good 20 years. You see am? No more flexing, no more flexing for that 20 years, no more wearing Gucci for that 20 years. Or you go dey inside kirikiri dey wear Gucci, you no go dey there dey wear Gucci na kirikiri shirt na you go wear na. So all those Gucci na go dey one corner na, maybe they go help am wear am other people go help am wear am, before you go come out sef all those one don fade, those styles no dey reign again. So you know say as day dey break na so different thing dey bring different design dey come out. So all those one no go reign again. Maybe most of it can, and maybe if care is not taken na they go sell all those things to cover up the money wey be say e steal, because that one na stealing when e steal from there. So they fit tell am say e go pay for all those money wey they catch when he plead guilty for, say make e come pay the money, e go pay, and they go sell those property take cover up the money. So wetin, ask me wetin e gain? E gain nothing. E no gain anything again. So the only thing wey e gain na those one wey e eat before they hold am, and those one wey e wear take do showcase before they hold am. So you see am, that time na hush puppy no believe. They tell hush puppy say one day they go hold am and he go kirikiri for 20 years, he no go believe. They no even put the ones when he don first stay there since e no last 2 years or last 3 years when he dey there. Those ones they no count and join am. Now they won't count the make kirikiri wey he wan go. You see am? You see how hush puppy say the adumadu body, you need money quickly. Now you can't do this one. Now you dey go kirikiri for 20 years. So my people, now say make I come tell you now this story about hush puppy. For those of now wey don't forget am, say e don surface again. E don surface again for internet. Say hush puppy they don sen ten ce am for 20 years imprisonment for USA for engaging in money laundering and other cyber crime when he commit, and he plead saying they guilty for the crime. So my people, you see crime I dey always dey talk am for this my channel, say crime no dey born better pikin. Where you dey commit crime, you no dey born better pikin, because sometimes e dey end with like this and disgrace na e dey end. So hush puppy, take heart. I pray make dem see, make you last reach that 20 years wey they give you, so that if you come out you go use your own as an example. Maybe when you come out, God go don change, you go become walk in God's way that time, not be in criminal way any longer. So my people, for those of now wey dey watch this news when I bring come so, and for those of now wey go see am later, and those of our youth wey go see am later, una use this one take learn sense. So una use am learn sense well. It's not good make person run pass his shadow. When you run pass your shadow, wahala don dey that time o. Wahala don dey o. My people dey use that dey make parable. So gidigidi so wit o. If fire too catch you no dey quick, no dey done something o. You go only burn that thing, no go done am. So e go burn am. So make una take am easy make una take am easy. So now I come say make I come tell una this evening, my people. So anyway, my people, I see remain una girl Nneka TV. And also my people, I beg una follow me for this my channel Nneka TV, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel Nneka Queen TV. So please don't forget to share. Help me dey share. Help me drop your comment for what you think about these two matter when I just talk. So Sunday Igboho, I don't tell una muna pray for am well, so that next time when you go appear for court for Cotonou there, may God grant am mercy. And that is my prayer for him. Say may God grant am mercy and make it feel free. And I not pray make it anything bring her come back to Nigeria, make her enter Nigeria government hand. I not pray that one at all. And make una also support am, make una pray well for am, make una pray so that next time make God see am true, make the bail am, so that he go fit continue a journey. So that is my own side for Sunday Igboho. So my people, so now I say make I come talk about Sunday Igboho and hush puppy. So una not forget to share the video, and don't forget to drop your comment for the comment section about this matter, how una feel. And so our youth wey go watch this news when I do, learn with for hush puppy. Learn please, because kirikiri not be place where they go, not be my place, not be place where you go there, just go there relax. No, na place where thinkness go finish the person. E better you dey outside there dey manage than to dey inside kirikiri you just dey outside, you know, freedom, what we call freedom. Dem no dey fit buy am with money o. Freedom where you dey lock you for one place, you even for only 2 days sef, na you go know say you go know say this life no easy. How much more you go stay there for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to 20 years? E no easy o, e no easy my people. So my people, make una no put one for crime o, make una no talk say na this one na im dey reign o, make una go dey do am o. Na there I get this matter reach to talk o. So make una no forget to follow me for this my channel. Abeg share, and don't forget to give us our like button. I say remain your girl Nneka TV. Bye bye. I'm coming back shortly so that we'll come talk about our musician, and our musician wey they call Onyeka Kwenu. His own side of his own think, that is the way he take reason about this Obi Cubana mother burial wey they do. So we go come see talk about her now. So when I not come off online, when I beg invite people to come online. Thank you. See you. Bye.